My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This workout is by request. This is the warm-up that I do for any kind of workout. It's all body weight, no weights or machines. Get the blood flowing, get everything moving to have the best workout of your life. If you like this idea, click that like button and let's go. Let's begin, or the thumbs up button, like, thumbs up, whatever. Let's begin in child's pose. It's a very active warm-up. Take about 10 minutes, flowing through everything. Modify as needed. Always use control. Inhale forward, exhale back. Let's get some movement and expansion in the back and spine. You could tuck the toes or keep the tops of the feet on the mat. And we're moving our shoulders. Shoulders. Inhale forward, exhale back. Elbows are in. Always go for the length in the body, to open it up, to stretch it out. Prepare it for what is to come so it can adapt to any situation. If you like, drop the hips, open up into an up dog here with the knees down, shoulders back, and then return your merry way to child's pose. Relaxing the jaw. The Coach Vigue yoga mat seems to be holding up quite well so far. I can read the inspirational quotes upside down. How about that? 2 more. Forward, drop the shoulders, really open the chest. You want that breath to be flooding into the body, the mind and body, bringing clarity to the brain and to your movements. Oh, little adjustment there. All right, back we go. Take the right arm up and thread it through. Active thread the needle. Limber up your shoulders, get a rotation, and stretch your middle back. You say stretch, or I say stretch. Basically, you want to get it moving. Get things warmed up, get blood flowing, tendons and ligaments, muscles. Bring everything online. Rock that thread. Ooh. Checking my surroundings, never know. Ooh, so good, so good. One more time, each side. Big twist, bring it through on the diagonal, breathing into those tight spots. Up, into the sun, and thread. Let's twist it out. Take the hands down, knees are down. We're gonna rock it back and forth. Elbows in, so we're activating the arms and the shoulders. Spread the fingers wide. This is the most uneven ground I've probably ever filmed on. Thank you, Tennessee. Thank you for that. And massaging the lower back, rotation. 2 more each side. 1, 2. Bring the right leg forward. We have a pigeon, but watch what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna rock this back and forth. Oh, massaging the glutes and the hips. Could bend this back leg too if you want. That's up to you. I like this movement right here. Been a little stiff lately. Some of the filming I've been doing. I did a video with my son the other day where we jumped over this yoga mat for about an hour. It was fun, but 50-year-old Coach V the next day was a little tight in the back. So these are the perfect movements to alleviate that, get me back online. That's my second AOL reference. All right, left leg forward, and we're gonna rock it side to side. Wring it out. Keeping an eye out, there's this couple that walks their dogs through here, and the dogs just come up and bark at me, and they just keep on walking. It's very strange. So even when I'm yelling, "You want your dogs?" They seem friendly, but I don't know, when dogs come and bark at you, I would never have allowed Addie to do that, and they just keep walking away like they could care less. Another reason to train. You never know what might pop up. Might have to move quickly. All right, take it. Forearm plank, forearms down, knees down to modify, or tuck the toes. We're gonna pulse it. fire up your core. Get your core. Should I do it? Should I say it? Your core online. You have core. That's the hat trick right there, my friends. That's the playmaker. Getting those passes off in hockey. Inhale forward, exhale back. But you want to fire up the core. That's the furnace. The abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Let it spread throughout the whole body. The core is the center of every movement you do. Belly button, psoas, abdominals, lower back. So that's why I teach so many Pilates classes as well. I want to target that area. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Lower down. Woo! Hands out. Bend that. Let me get the hands in. There we go. Right in the poison ivy. Bend the right leg up and over. Scorpions. Back and forth. Some beautiful rotation. Remember, you want to adapt. Let your body be able to adapt to whatever you're planning to do. Weight training, powerlifting, kettlebells, maybe it's yoga, Pilates, a run. Great for runners, cyclists, MMA, martial arts, everything. One more time, each side. I'm just trying to not get too much grass in my nose here. And then hands down, cobra or up dog. If you like, add some movement to it. You pulse it forward, inhale, lift, squeeze the glutes, and down. 2 more. Knees off the mat if you wish. Down. Downward facing dog. Look at this. Let's walk. Rotate as you wish. There's got to be down dog. Got to spread those fingers wide. Open up the whole back. Blood to the brain. Breath is pouring in. Flooding. Good. It's night and day, isn't it? Night and day, day and night. Da, 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 da. Every movement's a song, isn't it? All right, take that right foot forward. We have a lunge. Stretch that back leg. Hold it. Or active twist. Bring it through and open. Lots of rotation. Bring those sides into your flow, into your workout, whatever it is. You could lengthen the leg. Here, look at this. I always feel like I'm on a game show. Like, look at this. We could add this on. A new car. We stretch this leg. The possibilities are endless, my friends. Let's go to the other side. Forward. And make it yours. Remember, you're modified. It says it right here on the mat. Modify as needed. But you do it every day, there'll be no more modifying. It'll be the reality. Okay, take it back. Downward facing dog. Walk the legs. There's that delicious walk. Oh, that is just beautiful. And then inhale, round forward, ripple, ripple, press it back. Again, 2 more times. Stretch the spine. Take the feet forward. Itch your arm for just a moment. Are you okay up here? All right. Forward fold. Feet hip width. Soften the knees. Come on down. Walk the legs like we did in down dog. Sway side to side. Okay. Turn. Chair pose. Warm up the glutes. Little pulse here. How's my cap? Toes are loose. The weight is going back in the heels and the glutes. Activate the glutes. Activate, activate. Love this mat. It's really neat to see, look down and see that, even though it's upside down. That's okay. All right, forward fold, walk it out. Tuck the chin. You could do these during your workout as well. You got a set of something in between. Do this, do down dog, do cobras, whatever you got. instead of being hunched over and staring at your phone. Stay engaged and do these stretches. All right, once again, we come up, chair, pull it to the side, twist. That Coach Vigue, he loves his rotation. You darn tootin'. All right, take the legs wide. Last big thing, my friends. I don't know what that is, or I can't put my feet down. Twist, bring the hand down, bring it up. Or the hand comes across, that's up to you. Inhale, center, exhale, lift. How you feeling? Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow workout compatriots, everyone else, teammates, coaches, teachers. Warm up that body. Keep it limber, keep it strong. All right, come on down, seated position. Shake it out. And big finale here. Press the palms up, circle. Beautiful, my friends. Do this as much as you like. Do it before your workout, do it during, do it after. It's great, solid, pure movement designed to youthen your body, to bring you more flexibility, mobility, more adaptability. And another one, more possibilities. The possibilities. Cactus arms open. Open that chest. Let that breath flow. Let your love flow and let your breath flow. Side bend. Now I'm just adding on to this. Is it too much? Pick what you like. Discard the rest. All right, one more time up, cactus arms. Beautiful work, my friends. If this helped, click that like button. Send this video out to everybody. Or the thumbs up button. There's a subscribe button. Smash it. Oh, sorry. And click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. And don't forget to get your own Coach Vigue yoga mat, of which I am sitting on right here. It really does make the flows smoother. And that's not just me talking. That is me talking. Where do you want to go? Okay, let's go inside.